Your freshly waxed skin might be glowing, but your smartphone could be stealing that glow. In 2026, digital screens aren't just for work or scroll, they're secretly sabotaging your Brazilian wax. Stay tuned to discover how blue light is quietly harming your intimate skin, and what you can do to stop it. High-energy visible light, commonly called blue light, is no longer just a computer or phone issue. Studies in 2026 show it penetrates deeper than traditional UV rays, directly reaching freshly waxed follicles. Think of your waxed skin as a freshly opened gateway. While it's smooth and soft, it's now more sensitive to modern digital radiation. That expensive Brazilian you just got? Screens could be undoing all that effort faster than you scroll. When your intimate skin meets late-night screen glare, oxidative stress spikes immediately. Free radicals, tiny molecular troublemakers, target delicate post-wax skin differently than facial skin. This can trigger redness, irritation, and even inflammation in areas that should be calm and smooth. Late-night scrolling isn't just harming sleep, it's sabotaging your post-wax results. Blue light doesn't just inflame, it triggers melanocytes to overproduce pigment, causing unwanted dark spots in healing areas. Think of it as a tech tan, different from the sun's natural effect. Traditional sunscreens aren't enough. Most fail to block the specific blue light wavelengths emitted by laptops, tablets, and smartphones. In 2026, your bikini line needs protection beyond SPF. Meet your new post-wax superheroes, antioxidants like lichochalcone A and iron oxides. These ingredients act like microscopic shields, defending your intimate skin from blue light damage. Upgrade your aftercare routine. Combine soothing post-wax gels with modern blue light blocking products. In 2026, digital wellness and aesthetics are inseparable, and these formulas bridge the gap. Recovery isn't just about creams. Create a 24-hour digital detox for your skin. After waxing, keep screens away to let the barrier close fully. At night, apply antioxidant-rich creams before lights out, and avoid bedside devices that emit harmful blue light. With these habits, your intimate skin stays calm, radiant, and protected, not just for days, but weeks after your wax. Your post-wax glow deserves modern protection. Treat your skin like the high-tech barrier it is. Shield it from blue light, boost it with antioxidants, and enjoy smooth, radiant results that last. Hit subscribe for more digital age skin health tips and unlock the secrets to glowing, healthy intimate skin in 2026.